Hi guys, what's up? So I am back with another video. You might notice I am in a different location again. So I have moved house, so I'm kind of still trying to figure out where to film. I think this is where I'm going to film. I'm just on my bed. You can see my pajamas in the background there. The light comes in from the side, so I'm still not too sure if it's going to be the best option. But this is also the brightest room in the flat, so yeah. I will be doing a flat tour or an apartment tour, but I just kind of want to get things sorted first because we've now been here since January. We moved in the beginning of January, but it came with a lot of furniture or like ornaments that we didn't want to be using, and we are slowly just kind of like getting some shelves in and getting our own pictures in and customizing it to our likes and our dislikes. So there will be an apartment tour, but it probably won't be until we've been here for about 6 or 7 months. Unlike our penthouse apartment which we had, which when we moved in it was like ready to go, and we weren't allowed to decorate anyway. So here it just came with a bed, some sofas and kitchen stuff, and that was it. So we are in the middle of getting some shelves and some drawers, and like I'm still living out of suitcases, curtains, things like that. So we're still kind of like getting stuff sorted. Obviously, like we had Christmas, and then January was my birthday, then February was Valentine's Day, and then March was my partner's birthday, and now April we have to pay for our holiday to Menorca, and we need to get outfits for communion, like suit and tie type stuff, and also pay for a present for that. So we're kind of taking our time. We're just buying a couple of bits at a time rather than spending like 200, 300, 400 euros all at once. We're maybe spending like 100 euros one month and 50 euros another month. Last month I got some ornaments for the living room and some cushions. So we are slowly getting there, but it's just a thing of putting our own touch and stuff on it. I'm just looking at whether this is going to be a good area to film or not. I think it might be. Oh, I also got a new phone. I got the Samsung Galaxy S9. I've had it for about a month now. So I'm hoping I'll be able to do a what's on my phone video. I will probably just film it with this, which is my old smashed phone. This is what I was filming YouTube on before. So I'll probably film it on this, which means it won't be as good quality, but that way you can see what I've got on my phone and how I use it, etc, etc. Oh, also my dog got ill, so I've spent about 300-400 euros on vet bills after these past like month or so. So yeah, it's kind of been a little bit hectic, a little bit up and down. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not even wearing makeup. And I seriously need to do my eyebrows. Like, oh well. So that is basically my life update for now. Hopefully I can get back into a routine of filming, and I don't know, maybe once, twice a week try and upload and see how it goes. So yeah, that's it. I'm sorry I've kind of been MIA for the last few months. I hope it's understandable, and yeah.